Good morning, this is Lake Watauga, and this is a 0 day. We're gonna swim, soak our feet, probably get sunburned, me anyway, and enjoy the day. Kids are making sand castles and running around. This is like the beach back home. I'm from Florida, and this is like the beach. This is my first lake swim, I think. Unless someone in my family wants to remind me of something I forgot about. But in my memory today, this is my first lake. All right, screams out. All right, this is Lake Watauga behind me. Beautiful. Loving life right now. Screams out. Looky, looky, looky. We got some geese. Hello, geese. Hello, geese. I have no food for you. None. Huh. These little ducks over here, what are they quacking about? These little quackers. All right, bye-bye, geese. All right, screams out. Hello, duck. Hello, duck. Hello, Mr. Duck. Hello, ducky. Ducky, 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 ducky. Okay, okay. Don't. Well, why are you gonna run? Why are you gonna run? What you running from? What you running from? Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Oh yeah, chilling on the bank of the lake, and we have some little visitors coming to say hello to us.
No, it's honk, honk.
Hey, hey. If they come over here, they better eat your toes.
Hey, I got free toes, but they're not free.
Look at them. They're just grazing, I guess is what it's called. Just picking at whatever they eat or nibble at. You know, for some reason I was thinking they eat fish. Am I wrong about that?
Probably 90.
Such a beautiful day. All right, scream us out. Yeah, I had a great time at Lake Watauga, saying my goodbyes now. We spent basically all afternoon here. We had lunch here. We had some ham and cheese sandwiches, Star Crunches. We went swimming a couple times, sunbathed, listened to some good music, watched the geese, probably sunburn. Oh, look, I think it's a baby. Aww. It's a little one.
It's on now.
Oh, I forgot to give you guys the tour. I'll start with the bathroom. That's running water. Running water right there. Don't let the outside fool you. The outside looks like an outhouse. But it's not. Very nifty, one on each side. And showers. Tell me that ain't the coolest shower ever. That water was so hot. It was so awesome. It was a really awesome shower. They have campgrounds here, a deck, common kitchen. drink cherry Pepsi. I get that back in there with one hand. Oh, yeah. And one last thing, and that is the bunkhouse. Hello. How y'all doing?
Hey, how are you?
Good, good, good.
You kayaking?
Oh no, I was at the lake all day just sunburning.
Oh, okay.
Color coordinated, really cute. Here's me, the pink. Oh yeah. Alright, so that's it for the little tour. By the way, this is one of my favorite places so far. It's rated one of the top 5 and it really is. Alright, Screamy's out.